Hey everybody, this is Ryan with the Lawn Channel. In today's video, we're going to set out to take this section of the grass to the next level. Just to get you guys up to date, I recently applied a plant growth regulator to this, to my whole lawn, the front and side. I applied T-Nex about 6 days ago. So far I've been incredibly impressed with the results. And I tried cutting the lawn over here about 2 days ago, and unfortunately ran into some issues with my mower. The chain came off, it broken, so last night I fixed the chain, put a new chain on it, and I'm ready to go for that. But thankfully I had applied the PGR, so it's been now 5 days since I mowed this, and still in really good shape. One of my previous videos, I think it had been 6 days where I had mowed it, and you saw what happened there, so you'll see the difference here today where the PGR has made a huge difference. Alright, so the first step in this process is going to be to mow the lawn. Alright, so now that we got the grass trimmed up, let's move on to what I like to call step 2, the main event. Alright, so what we've got here is something called Main Event. It's pretty much identical to another product called Feature. It contains 10% chelated iron plus a lot of other micronutrients. The main thing we want to use this for is the iron, and based off a lot of research that I've done and me having Bermuda grass, we're going to go with a 2 ounce per thousand rate for our first application. And from this point on though, I'll also be applying this when I apply my PGR, and once that happens I'll drop it to 1 ounce per thousand, because I'm applying PGR probably every 2 weeks or so, and I don't want to go crazy with the iron. Got some old water. I kind of fill it back up a little bit when I'm done from the last spray. This stuff is kind of like a reddish brown color. from the line here with the fence and back this way in this section. I'm not going to spray anything, and everywhere else I will. So we'll come back and compare. As you see right now, the colors are pretty much the same, so we shouldn't have any discrepancies or any variables with that. Alright, so I just want to take a second to thank everybody that's already subscribed to the channel. I greatly appreciate it very much. And for those who maybe enjoyed this video and haven't subscribed, maybe you could consider doing that. We got a lot coming up, and don't want you to miss it. Alright, so we've went about 48 hours, 2 days now since we applied the main event to the lawn, so we're gonna go check it out right now. Just a heads up too, you do not want to apply this product if your lawn is not already kind of green and healthy. If it's brown and not in good shape, it's not really gonna do a lot for you, so don't waste your money. But if your lawn is in good shape and you got some guests coming over or something, you want to get it extra green, this would be the product for you. I think it's made a pretty good difference. It's not like incredible. It's made a pretty good difference from where I've applied it versus where I didn't apply it in my main front yard. All right, so what I've noticed is, honestly, it's really hard to tell on camera the difference. There is a color change from where I did apply it and didn't apply it over here. And when I show you the pictures, maybe we'll see it better on the computer, but from what I see on the camera, it doesn't show up very well. Where I do see a big color difference is where I didn't apply it in the front yard, going across the driveway, and then to the side yard, and that's where you see a huge difference in the color. It's a much richer green over here versus over there. So again, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you may. Hope to see you in the next one.